Follow me up the steps trodden by thousands of Spode or Copeland workers to collect their wages every Friday. To the right is the counting house, built in the 1830s. It's a listed, round building, one of the very few remaining counting houses in the country. Now a conference room, there are fine views of the Spode Works entrance gates. Wages were delivered to this room by wheelbarrow in a procession of 4 people in 1952. The man with the barrow was Joe Bennett. And unsurprisingly, a roundhouse has round window frames. Like it's got, so the roundhouse. To the left of the door is the lodge archway, another conference room that overlooks buildings both inside the works as well as the entrance courtyard. Opposite, you can see what used to be called the Spode Blue Italian Restaurant before the site closed in 2008. Okay, I'm going to follow you up here. This is the top, is it?
Yeah. In 2014, obviously it shut down in 2009.
The top floor leads to a building in the courtyard that was used for packing in the active factory days.
You can go as far as that, because that's where you've actually took the floor up this way.
Yeah, okay.
But all this is the roundhouse area, so if it's a roundhouse, you've been in this area somewhere.
So I guess they were just mainly like offices for office staff, I guess, accountants and people when they.
Yeah, if I did. Previous site manager to Liam, he was here 10 years when it was a factory.
Gaming, what's that?
Nice computers and stuff.
Okay.
It's been finished about 12 months and nobody's in at the moment. It's like out with the council. Nothing happens quickly.
So the only way to get up there is up these stairs. There's no door or anything.
No, it's
on the lower level.
Then, yeah.
Interesting. So all the employees would have had to walk up those
yeah, they would have under
stairs.
Yeah, that's correct.
Under the counting house was Spode's retail shop, now very empty. Thanks for watching. If this clip was interesting for you or brought back memories, please like and leave a comment. We would love to hear from you. Thanks to the city of Stoke-on-Trent and especially Trevor, who showed me around on his last day before retirement.